Babs, and I'm at ABC Autotrader, where they treat you like family. Right now, I am test driving the Dodge Journey from ABC Autotrader. It is so smooth. I can't even believe this is a used vehicle. I feel real stylish in this. You seen the bright orange color. You see the leather interior. You can pick up the kids and take them to soccer practice, but you can also pick up the girls and have a night out on the town. And can you believe this Dodge Journey even has third row seating? Look how spacious it is in this vehicle. ABC Autotrader is the only dealership that specializes in helping people with no credit, bad credit. They want to help you get into a vehicle, and these cars are only 1 to 2 years old at ABC Autotrader, and they all have low mileage and a factory warranty. And you can check it out for yourself. ABC Autotrader has over 300 5-star Google reviews.